The people of Mbanano, Enugwu, Agidi has pleaded with the Anambra state government to stop one Jeff Wike of Ezinano, Oka from taking possession of their land at Trans-Obibia, Obioma layout and adjoining land. They made the appeal during their meeting held at the palace of the former traditional ruler of Enugwu, Agidi, late Igwe Davidson Ikanyi. Correspondent Chukwuemeka Modelim now reports.
At the meeting, the chairman of Mbanano Land Committee, Chief Fred Onubogo, said that the people of Ezinano Oka sued them to West African Court of Appeal, now known as Supreme Court, in 1938, on the grounds that the lands belonged to them but lost the case. Since then, they have been making use of the areas as gazetted for Enugwu Agidi by Anambra state government. In 2013, Mr. Nweke and his group sued them again to Nnewi High Court and still lost the case. According to him, Mr. Nweke, who was dissatisfied with the judgment, took them to an appeal court in Oka in 2020, in which judgment was delivered in favor of Mbanano and restrained him and his cohorts from trespassing into the lands. He disclosed that when they discovered that the same man has gone back to the lands with armed men vandalizing people's property there and stopping them from farming on the lands, they reported him to law enforcement agencies who arrested him and arraigned him before a federal high court that restrained him from trespassing into the areas. He regretted that despite all these court rulings, the man is still taking possession of the areas with armed men and urged the state government to come to their aid as they can no longer access those areas. I
never say government no content of court can these people not commit. That boy no because na you go below. That's what I should put anybody. Ya can ne kwa government mo kwa no drama. Aboga nya obugwe. Sana ko do bele iwe na mo apelimpe. Ashineke. Nanu no kwa mmebu ka na emebu anyị.
On his part, the vice chairman of Mbanano community, Mr. Peter Onu Ebusi, revealed that they have disassociated themselves from a peace meeting engaged by Mr. Nweke and their indigents who had been ostracized from the community for indulging in land grabbing and other criminal activities, and urged the state government to recover the lands for them by stopping him from taking unlawful possession of those areas in line with court order. He lamented that the handiwork of the land grabber has caused hunger in the villages that make up Mbanano as they can no longer farm on their lands to feed